Experience the bold energy of the Air Jordan 1 Mid SE Red Lipstick, a special edition pair that transforms the classic AJ1 silhouette into a layered masterpiece of reds. This model blends satin-smooth panels, matte overlays, and soft textures to highlight the many shades of red, creating a depth that shifts with every angle. Breaking tradition, the iconic Wings logo spot is replaced by a striking kiss mark emblem, giving the sneaker its signature identity. Bright red outlines on the swoosh and a deep red outsole complete the dramatic look, while the ivory-tinted midsole adds balance. Even the box and insoles carry playful lip print details, making the unboxing experience just as captivating. Rooted in 1980s basketball heritage but refreshed with a bold modern twist, the AJ1 Mid SE Red Lipstick offers a unique mix of storytelling, texture, and style, perfect for collectors and anyone who loves standout Jordan releases.